For thousands in Hong Kong, owning a home is the dream. But for new HOS homeowners, the reality is a nightmare of a standard IKEA product won't fit her space, and customized design firms, quote, won't fit her wallet. Her dream home is utterly out of reach.
What if you could design, visualize, and manufacture custom furniture for your exact space, all from one platform?
Introducing KAAI. The AI platform, making it 40% cheaper and 70% faster. What's the magic inside? Magic 1. Upload a photo of your space. AI gen a stunning 3D visualization in minutes. Magic 2. Customize everything. Adjust dimensions, change styles, and get an instant, transparent quote.
Magic 3. Our platform auto-generates CNC-ready files, managing the entire process from factory floor to your front door.
Our model connects you with mainland partners, saving you 30 to 40% on retail prices. HKAI assembles your custom cabinets and wardrobes well before delivery to Hong Kong,
leaving only the installation step to customers. Your custom wardrobe begins its journey to Hong Kong, ready for a simple, final installation.
With layouts database like HOS in Future and end-to-end workflow, AI communication makes customized and cheaper products in the market.
A multi-stream revenue ecosystem includes freemium visuals platform, installation partnership, potential B2B and B2G contract, advertising and affiliates, as well as the manufacturing revenue that helps different parties transform visions into profit.
Established in 2025, with a team of 3D design and engineering experts, KAAI will have 30-plus homeowner waitlists in the first year.
Factory strategic partnerships. With smarter technologies and manufacturing workflow, KAI will have exponential growth in following years.
So, with KAAI, their dream wardrobe came to life, perfectly fitting their style, their space, and their budgets. Your dream is our blueprint as we guide you seamlessly from inspiration to installation.